Welcome to the channel, guys. If you're trying to stack up some serious cash in GTA 5, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the exact locations of hidden briefcases loaded with money and walk you through exactly how to get them. Let's jump right into it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, head over to this spot to grab the dinghy. This part is important because it gives you scuba gear, which lets you breathe underwater. Once you've got it, hop in and let's head to our first location. Here, you'll spot a crashed plane underwater. Swim closer, and right under its tail, you should find the hidden briefcase. If it doesn't appear right away, try this trick. Swim to the surface, quick save using your phone, then reload that save file. Once the game loads, the briefcase should spawn in. It contains $16,500. Our next spot is pretty close to the last one. Dive down right here. I'm not exactly sure what this structure is called, but you'll recognize it easily. Right beside it, you'll find our second briefcase containing $7,500. Quick, simple, and easy to collect. Now for our third briefcase, head all the way to the right side of the map. Dive down and you'll see a large structure. Focus on the round section underneath. Swim beneath it, and hidden among the underwater plants, you'll find the briefcase. This one holds $12,000. Next, for the fourth briefcase, head to this location where you'll find a sunken cargo ship. The briefcase should be somewhere inside. If it doesn't show up right away, just use the same trick. Swim up, quick save, and reload your game. It should appear after that. This one contains $20,000, but be careful. It's a tight space, and you can get stuck inside, so move slowly and stay alert. Now head over to this spot, and you'll see a blue container with a machine placed beside it. Inside the container, you'll find your fifth briefcase along with a few grenades. This one gives you $10,000, and the grenades are a nice bonus you can use later for some fun. Now head to this spot near Fort Zancudo. You'll find a crashed plane underwater, and inside it is our sixth briefcase. This one gives you $12,500. Finally, for our seventh and last briefcase, head to this location. On top of this structure, you'll find the final briefcase, and it's a big one. It gives you $25,000. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these briefcase locations helpful and stacked up some easy cash in GTA 5. If you enjoyed this guide or learned something new, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more hidden secrets, money tips, and location guides just like this one. More content coming soon. Stay tuned.